Second and 4 here, folks. Or second goal, actually. Touchdown! He squabbled. He ball on him. First and 10 at the Tulsa 5. Intercepted! First and 10, Blizzard at Tulsa's 21. At the field, coach. Snaps. Myler. Hit a touchdown! Kicks up. And almost deuce. First and 10, Tulsa at their 14-yard line. Now send the run. Second and 8. Second and 5 at the Blizzard 17-yard line.